got this mug. Custom-made Scootski mug. It's cool, right? The sun is rising, as you can see by this light ray. So I'm gonna get dressed right now. I look like a Mormon.
Bruh.
Which is not bad or anything. I'm just saying I'm looking like the type of guy to go to church. Anyways, let's go to school, all right? Okay, bet. I'm on my way to school. Kind of crazy, you know? But I'm currently on my way. I don't really want to go to school, you know? It's something I don't want to do, but in my opinion, school's kind of irrelevant. I think, sure, you need school, but I think you do it way too often, bro. Like, it's kind of dumb how often you have to go to school, in my opinion. Oh, this is a cul-de-sac. So you're gonna do a foot drag here? Yep, that kind of hurt. You know, it's not very smart to, you know, if you put your foot out on a car, it's not smart. It really isn't. You shouldn't do that, really. Oh, I'm forgetting one more thing. I gotta turn on my lights, which is this button. Yeah, that button. Alright, we got our lights on now, which is cool. I love the purple lights that this thing comes with. Completely stock. I don't even know if there's like RGB or a way to change them. This is completely stock color right here. I absolutely love the fucking what's it called? Love the color purple. Such a peak color, you know what I'm saying? Absolutely so peak. Like there's no way you can't not fuck with purple. Purple's such a crazy good color. Yo, check it out. We got a cemetery here. I kind of want to check it out, but I think that'd be a little bit disrespectful, you know? Me just getting dead people's names for content. I don't like that. So I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to go here and get content, even though you guys probably want to see it. I'm not trying to do that, though. I don't want to be a bitch. I'm not trying to be Mr. Disrespect. Or what's his name? Dr. Disrespect here. I think we all know what he did. Alright, we're good. Oh. Yo, why do they got these sprinklers, bro? It pisses me off so much. Look at this. It's not even going for the grass. It's going straight for the pavement. I'm not getting wet, bro. Damn, bro. Pisses me off. You know what I'm saying? Fuck these sprinklers. Oh, that's really slippery. I cannot go on gravel. Way too slippery, bro. I want to check this out. This looks cool right here, this building. I have no clue what it is, though. I am not a morning person, by the way. Morning absolutely is something that can't, you know, I can't do. I can't. Oh, look, there's bunnies. I'm not trying to get rabies or anything, but look at this guy. He's aura farming. Look at this aura. Is he alive? Is that taxidermy? He's alive. He's moving. I'm not trying to bother him too much, but damn, that's pretty cool. We got a little bunny rabbit thing. Take it off here, actually. Oh, yo. Bet. I'm gonna walk this shit down. There's no way I'm riding down this shit. Now, I actually do have a surprise coming, and I'm actually super, super excited for it. It's a whole different change in my content. I think you guys are gonna like it, though. I think you guys are really, really gonna love it. Like, for you guys that know me right now and know what I do, Scootski, I'm really excited for this, and I hope you guys will be excited too. If you're watching this video, it's probably gonna be the last time you'll see this type of content. Nah, I shouldn't say type of content, but I'm changing what I started with, if you know what I mean. Now, for you current subscribers, and if you aren't subscribed, hit that button. I got like 93% of my viewers are not subscribed, which is crazy, dude. If you truly believe in me, subscribe. That's all you have to do. Click a button. And in the future, when I do get money, I'm gonna pay it back. I promise I will do giveaways. I'm not selfish. But I will do giveaways if I do get this recognition. I want to give back, you know? It's like a certain YouTuber said. So it's honestly kind of dangerous for me to go in the morning. Because, I mean, I'm a tiny little scooter with tiny little lights. And, like, no one will see me. And if I get with one distracted driver, you know what they're going to do? They're going to hit me. But I guess that'd be a win-win. Ow, fuck. Oh, I smacked my balls on this hook, bro. That's the one downside of this scooter. But that's going to be a win-win because I get good content and I get to sue them, which is very nice because then I get money and content. Ain't that cool? Comment below if you want to see me get hit. I'm not giving anyone ideas though, you know. I'd prefer me stay this way. You know what I'm saying? I'd prefer it if I just stay like this, not getting hit. Okay, but I'm pretty sure right here I gotta make a little turn. Yeah, it's getting to the point where it's getting so dark you can't see anything. And I also have the goggles on. And you know what the goggles do? They do nothing good. I'm kind of running out of battery too, so not good, but I can make it there and back. Here we go. I'm gonna play ball. Okay, where's the hoop? You ready? Is this about to be an air ball? No! See, it would have went in if I had a basketball, but that's not fair. I am so early right now, the sun's not even up and no one's here. We got some people over there, but... Oh, that was such an air ball. Yeah. I'm gonna aim for that hoop, and if I don't make it, then I'm an idiot. What was that? Oh, that would've went... If only I went a little bit to the right, but it's whatever. We're pretty early. No, we're really early, actually. School doesn't start for another hour, so... I don't know, I guess I'm just gonna mess around. I still got battery. I'll just cut to when I go to school. Alright, the sun is starting to rise. And we're at the school. Right here. But they got this damn construction, dude. But we're gonna try to go there right now. Make sure no cars are coming. We seem good. Hop it up this curb here. Alright, bet we've arrived at school and we're gonna park it somewhere. Look at these sprinklers they got going on right now. I always hate these sprinklers. Actually, I'm not gonna take the sprinkler route. Alright, bet. Yo, what's up with these sprinklers, dog? Like, what's up with these sprinklers, bro? Can I get through here without getting washed? Like, why do they sprinkle before school? You know what I'm saying? It's really dumb. It's not efficient. Guess we'll take it through here. Through this dry patch. This looks like a blind spot for the sprinklers. We're gonna take it up here. Take it up the curb, you know what I'm saying? Cause it's dual motor, bro. The scooter's dual motor. I can always walk, doesn't mean I don't have to. Oh shit, that's a curb. Type. Go like in here, park it. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'll park the scooter right here. Okay, bet. Yeah, I guess I'll meet you inside, alright? Actually, no, I'm not gonna meet you inside, but that's the end of the video. I'm not gonna record school.